A very good day to our listeners. Hope you had a great evening. A quick look around the market then. In terms of actual economic data out of Europe, it's been relatively quiet. We have had a slight negative bias though to the trading across the various asset classes, with UK and European stocks seen marginally lower ahead of the US Open. In particular, RBS is seen underperforming some of its banking peers. They're seen down individually around 5.5%. This comes after pre-market press reports that the bank could be held up to the tune of around $790 million for their part in the ongoing libel scandal. In terms of a lot of the price action though, it's been more prevalent in the short end of the interest rate curve, that being in particular the Euribor strip, which trades up around 2 to 5 ticks this morning. Again, the move does come despite the actual 7-day MRO, the shorter dated ECB operation this morning, coming in slightly below expectations at 124 billion, with the median estimate seen around 135. Despite a brief dip in Euribor was quick to bounce and is trading up in toward the US session. A couple of things underpinning that has been touted profit taking after those initial sharp moves lower that we saw on Friday following the larger than expected 3-year LTI repayment number. And then also as well, the latest in the 3-month Euribor fix showed only an increase of around 2 to 3 roughly basis points from yesterday, after Monday saw an increase of around 10 basis points. So that as well just helping some of the price action. Taking a look in terms of elsewhere, some notable source comments indicated that the ECB is continuing to garner and is growing in concern over the Ionia rates at the moment, particularly given the reduction in the panel of rate setters, which we've seen with a number of large cap banks coming out of that setting board. And as such, that has dampened slightly some of the sentiment in terms of the euro and the equity markets coming into the US session. Looking forward though to the North American trading hours, we do have two of the bigger pharmaceutical companies to report today, that being Eli Lilly and Pfizer. And we also have S&P Case-Shiller, but more importantly US consumer confidence, which will be due at 3 p.m. London time, so that'll be 9 a.m. in Chicago. And then for the fixed income traders, we also have the next in the US Treasury issuance with the 5-year, which follows yesterday's 2-year auction. That pretty much concludes the opening wrap from me here in London, so I wish you all a great trading day.